Welcome to this tutorial on how to manage your chart of accounts in DealerTeam. First, navigate to the DealerTeam Accounting app and make sure the accounting menu is selected. This is where you'll find the main accounting functions. Go to Setup Admin and under Chart of Accounts, Schedule and Journal Setup section, select Chart of Accounts and Schedules. This is your complete chart of accounts. Let's go over the main functions. To edit an account, click the pencil icon. This opens a detailed view where you can modify account information. For quick line edits, use the second icon. This lets you edit directly in the list without opening a separate screen. To create a new account based on an existing one, click the copy icon. You can update the account number, name, and other details and click Save. You can click the magnifying glass icon to view the account in report format. You can use the tabs to review settings in payroll, multi-currency, parts and service, and sales and inventory. To print the chart of accounts, click the print icon and choose Print All Pages. From there, you can open a print dialog and choose whether to save as a PDF or print a physical copy. You can use type codes to filter accounts. Just enter the number in the type code field and search. 2 is assets, 3 liabilities, 4 net worth, 5 is sales, 6 is cost of sales, 7 expenses, 8 is other income, and 9 is deductions. And that's it. You now know how to navigate, edit, and manage your chart of accounts. In the next videos, we'll be taking a look at the main functions in the accounting menu. Thanks for watching.